So the flame sensors are doing what? They're
What it does is when the gas turns on, because you have an induced draft system, the gas is pushed out into the 4 burners.
okay.
What the flame sensor does, so you've got 4 burners. You got the igniter, which ignites here.
Okay.
If that doesn't show a pilot valve, in other words, a flame, the gas valve will turn on for 4 seconds. If the flame does not travel over to all four burners, in other words, you got an issue with your ignition module. That flame sensor, if it doesn't sense heat in a matter of 4 seconds, it shuts the gas valve off.
Oh, so that's the safety to prevent any problems.
Correct.
Got it.
So what the flame sensor does is it will build up carbon. Wow, this is a tough one to get to. Maybe I won't clean it. There we go. I gotta do that. You just have to sand it down, clean off the carbon. Wow. Really?
Is that it?
Yeah. See how all the carbon build up on it?
I got it. So
We
just
want it nice and shiny.
okay. So you take a file or brush.
File or sandcloth or something.
Oh, okay.
You only have to do about once every 6 years, 5 to 6 years. A lot of guys will try and replace them, charge the customer $150. I've never in 35 years had to replace a flame sensor.
They're just built that well.
Yeah, all it does is sense millivolts. It generates millivolts back to the gas valve and says, "Yes, I have flame. Leave the gas valve on."
Or no.
Guys will see this carbon build up. They'll notice that it's tripping. They'll say, "Oh, this is a good sale. I'll sell this for $150," and it costs me $6 at the parts shop.
Trying to pay their kids' college tuition one job at a time, right?
I guess. And all it does is just it'll eventually bite them, because I'll be the next guy that goes in there. Oh no, that never has to be replaced.